How to get the best working PS5 or PlayStation 5 discount code. The first thing you want to do is access or open up any preferred browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and just head directly to the search bar and type in PlayStation 5 discount code. Now there's going to be multiple addresses or links that you can go ahead and try for you to be able to have that code. Now let's try to go ahead and take a look on the hotsbuy.com. So this is locked and not available. So let's try on a different codes. So with dealpromo.net, there is actually multiple codes that you can use for this. I'll just have to make sure that you just follow along these requirements for you to be able to have that code visible. So for example, this one is going to be redirecting you to another page or another tab. And then by there will be a certain task that you'll need to follow through first, and some of those codes does not require a certain task. All I have to do is just try this specific code first if it works or not. And then if it's not going to be working, then go back to dealspromo.net and try a different code. So that's it. That's how you can get working PlayStation 5 discount codes.